guys that have voted for this look. I had so much time, enjoyment time. Hey everyone, what is going on? What is new with you guys? Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'll show you how I created the look Maleficent. And this was a, I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille. In my line, somebody give me a line without breaking the bank. If that is you, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to find past looks, other videos, and vote on my next look, horror movie marathons. And those are the reasons that inspired these two, oh my god, stop recording, and the Candyman movies. So if you like to see how I made this horror honeycomb bee look, is from the Candyman movies and Autumn Colors. So if you like to see how I transform myself into this look, please hang out and going on with you guys. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am going to show you how I oh my god, appreciate it. And soon autumn will be upon us, and all those wonderful fall colors of orange, reds, blues, blues, wow, blues, all of a sudden now there's blue. Ay ay ay.